Hello folks, welcome to Smart Web Solutions. Have you ever heard of a VPS hosting, but you are not sure of what it means? Don't worry, I'll break it down in simple terms. Thank you for joining us on another exciting episode on what is a VPS hosting. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, hit on the subscription, like our page, and hit on the notification bell so that you get to be notified as we upload new videos. Now, what is a VPS hosting? A VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It is a type of hosting where a physical server is divided into multiple forms or multiple servers, each acting as an independent system, unlike the shared hosting where you share the resources with other users on the same server or on the same environment. A VPS gives you a dedicated resources and more control. It gives you more control of those resources that are isolated to you alone. Unlike the dedicated server where you own the entire server, all the resources are owned by you. But a VPS is similar to the dedicated server, and it is advanced to the shared server where you are sharing the same resources, but this one, resources will be isolated to your own jurisdiction, so you own those resources alone, and you are not sharing it just like unlike the other clients who are sharing the resources on the shared server. Now, how does this VPS hosting work? Just imagine an apartment building where you share the same building or the same resources or the same space with your neighbors, just like the physical server where it is segmented into certain portions or multiple portions. Then with others, your apartment is a VPS server, is your own VPS servers, so it owns the space, the resources, so you don't want to be affected by your neighbors, or you don't want to be affected by what is happening in other apartment. So this is just an example of the VPS server, an illusion of the VPS server. Then what are the benefits of this VPS server? The first benefit we'll be looking at in this video is it gives better performance. Since you get dedicated resources like the CPU, the RAM, the storage, your website will run faster and it run more smoothly, unlike the shared environment, the shared server, where you'll be sharing the resources with other clients on the same server. So the speed will definitely varies, it differs. Secondly, it improves the security of your website. Your VPS will be isolated from other users, reducing the risks compared to the shared hosting. And another advantage of using the VPS server is, of course, it gives more customization and control. You can install custom softwares, configure settings, and even choose your operating system. The operating system you want to use, you can choose it yourself, unlike the shared environment where the operating system is unique and uniform all through. If it's on the Linux, if you are using the Linux operating system, every other client on that server must use Linux. You cannot use Linux while others are using Windows. It's not going to work, because you are on a shared environment, you are sharing the same resources. So the customization in VPS, you can choose whether to use a VPS or to use a Windows operating system. And of course, it gives scalability. When you need more resources as your website grows, you can easily upgrade your VPS without migrating to a new server. Then, if we ask ourselves who should use this VPS hosting, the VPS hosting, of course, it is great for businesses like e-commerce site, developers, or anyone who needs more power and flexibility than the shared hosting. it is but he's not ready for a dedicated server, then this VPS server is good for you and you can go for it. In a nutshell, this is all about the VPS hosting. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more web hosting tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in another exciting video some other time. Don't forget to drop any question if you have on the comment section, and we'll get back to you. Thank you. See you some other time. Cheers.